So today I'm going to be showing you how you, as a customer, can be able to order successfully from any kind of store on the kdboosthub platform without needing to quit any kind of account at all, and then finding your wallet and so on. So all you simply just have to do is to use any kind of store link that's been given to you by your agents or your resellers. And then once you get the store link, you visit their stores and then browse through their services that are available. And then if you find the one that you want to order, you simply just have to click on the order button. Then that is going to take you to their order form or the order page. So on the order form, you are going to see the kind of packages that our service is offering. So for the Reseller, the 5 gig is going for 21 cities and 74%. So I'm going to be selecting a 5 gig and then enter my Reseller number. So once you enter your Reseller number, I want you to click on Proceed to Payment, which would take us to the payments page. And then once you get on the payments page, I want you to select the preferred payment method, which can be mobile money, pay with card, or pay with bank transfer. But I'm going to be going with mobile money. So once you select, I want you to enter your phone number and then click on Confirm. So right now I'm not having a non-female wallet, so I'm not going to be taking you through the process of that, but it is very simple to do. You just have to enter your number, then the network provider will be automatically detected. And then once that is done, you click on Confirm. Then if it is your first time using the payment page, you'll be sent out OTP. Don't worry, you just have to enter that OTP over here and then verify your number for first time users. And then once that is verified, you'll be sent another message again, which is a prompt message. And then all that you have to do is to enter your 4-digit mobile money PIN and then approve for the transaction. And then once the transaction is done, you will head back to, let me cancel this real quick. Once the transaction is done, you'll be automatically redirected to this page or the store over here. And then you'll be shown a notification saying that your order has been successfully placed and then it is being processed. So watching the video once again. If you find it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and then also like the video. And then if you face any kind of issues, don't hesitate to write it down in the comment section, as I will do my possible best to attend to each and every single one of them. Thanks for watching the video again. Have a nice day. Bye.